How to start a group chat in Google Chat. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on this one icon. Now click on the option of create a space. Now give a group name. If you want to add anything as a description in your group chat, you can type in over here. You are also able to add a profile picture and then click on next. Now over here, type in the email address of the person that you want to add in your group. You are only able to add the people in the group chat who are already friends with you. Just type in the email address of those person whom you want to add in the group chat. Once you are done, click on this option of done. And with that, your group chat is ready. If you want to add more people, you can click on this option of add people and apps and do that. Google Chat is an intelligent and secure communication and collaboration tool built for teams. From ad hoc messaging to topic-based workstream collaboration, chat makes it easy to get work done where the conversation is happening. With Google Chat, you can send a direct message to anyone with a Gmail address or Google account. So this is how you can easily start a group chat in Google Chat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.